Hi guys, today I'm already officially back. I'm already back, but now I'm on someone's other device. Now I already in Oppo device, but now my old cell phone needs to be repaired. So look, we're in the mall. So I have dual cameras, and I don't know what to do. But sheesh, yo. There's so many people in here. I bet so. I'm already in this. So guys, I've been waiting someone, my grandma, so I'm not eating in that freaking place again. So I'm instead waiting for my grandma, and here's my grandpa here. So you should say hi because she should say hi because he doesn't know I use dual camera. I don't know what to do, guys, but I think I'm already back on the new cell phone of Oppo with a dual camera on it. Dual camera. This is where my grandpa he buys Oppo. He buys that. He buys Oppo. Look, this is the new Oppo, brand new Oppo. But now since I'm already on the device, so the old files will be transferred. So guys.